Hi guys, in today's video, I want to show you how I make this emotional beat, sad beat, and the song. It's like two videos in one. I want to show you guys so that you will learn the hard way. You guys gotta learn this today. I want to show you everything that I use, all my experience of making beat and singing song on Bandlab in my phone, not laptop. I want to show you everything in one video. This video is not gonna be long. I want to just show you the details, everything that you can understand and you can do it by yourself. I don't want rubbish comment on my comment section say you don't understand. Bandlab is not working well. Bandlab is the best app you can use on your phone today. No cap, for real. Okay, let me show you how I make the emotional beats, sad beats first before I show you how I make the song. Okay, you, piano, you can make emotional beat at the piano. So you see. You can't make a emotional beat without this sad piano, dark something piano. That's what it is. I put the name here. You can search it on Bandlab. And this that's what they play. You see in your Bandlab. But you guys even know how to put these things. Yeah, I'll show you how to add all these things on Bandlab. It's very easy. When you can add vocal, you sit down. I have pepper things. I will just put it here. You guys will understand. So I just add this voice. I will put effects. You see a female voice where you say, oh, it's the same place. So I will show you guys the place. You can go there and say, many things are there. Look, the female voice is low, everything is low body. Emotionally things. I had this girl vocal. This is I sample it from a sample pack that have a lot of girls vocals. So that's how I make this emotional beat. Hear the beat together, see, like connect with me, hear me connect. That's just how I make the beat. The beat is done just like that. It's just piano. You have to learn. I don't say you will learn, but I don't like to play piano. I came from the street. We just get talent from where I came from. We just dey play everything. But if you know how to play piano, if you go there to play piano, just very easy on your phone. Bandlab is making it very easy to make piano. It's just the piano that make the song emotional. The piano that you play. It's not a big one. You can't. It's not a big thing. Let me show you the song I made on the beat. Yeah. Let me show you the song I made on the beat. This is the song. This is the song.
Let me quickly introduce myself. I'm not really scared of death. I just drink and laugh every pain I felt. And I'm always winning, forget about my friends. I come from a place I heard of. Name change shit, the place is well loved. Peace to the niggas in dreadlocks. We know this.
That's just the vocal I recall. Let me show you. This is very surprising. The effect that I use. It's an Afrobeat effect. This effect has never worked for me on any song, but it worked on this particular emotional beat. I don't know why this Afrobeat effect. You can search it. Afrobeat mix. It's by this DJ. I forget this DJ name. Producer. I forget this guy name. You can't make a sad song without using voice 2, voice 3, and stuff.
They pray me they break us, nobody go be lost, the police take us. So many nights we hunger with us.
The voice 2 will make it more match and more make sense. Yeah, the voice 2 together join the beat.
So the guns, so the drink, don't they fuck my bronze. My brain don't they raise all the things, don't they cut my lungs. I know say people want to break us. Tell your government, tell police, make them stop to the Jesus. This is not the make up. How long it go take us to let them realize they must stay for? This thing just a pain us.
Just like that.
Now once it started, don't you don't.
It's not difficult. Everything, the beat, the vocal, just talent. You have to have talent to sing. You know by know how to do it. Yeah, talent play a big role in this kind of emotional beat. Everything is about talent. It's not about like you can do it. If you have talent, you can even sing for common that if you sing for this thing, you have the talent to sing in it. Talent play a big role in emotional song, an emotional beat. People have to feel your mind and hear what I'm saying. So that's add voice to make it more cash and more your pain have to show. Very easy, piano, everything. I will show you all the details I talk about, how to put anything. Then I will show you. You get so if you learn anything, subscribe, like. Let us just be like that. You get me? Cool. If you no learn, see subscribe, see like. So if I say you watch my video, you must subscribe. I move for you.